Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Please make sure that you subscribe, click the bell button, and subscribe to my channel. I'm Eccentrics. Today we'll be discussing 2 ways on how to save money on your products and how to make your eye area stand out and not look really creasy and chalky without using an eye cream. So first up, I'm showing everybody the Clarins Super Restorative Eye Cream. This is an amazing product. This is a brand new product that I absolutely love. And what's so special about it is that it actually helps with rich plant extracts. It helps to instantly lift the eyelids, smooths crow's feet, deep wrinkles as well. It helps to replenish the eye area. It helps with permanent dark circles, ladies, and it reduces and enhances beautiful lashes. So years ago, by your eyes remain beautiful despite age-related hormonal changes. This is a very lightweight, comfortable formula. It's suitable and sensitive for contact wearers, and it's dermatologist and ophthalmologist tested. You do not want to use your moisturizer around your eye area because it actually can cause an infection, and that is not good. And the infection will be caused because your moisturizer is not ophthalmologist tested. So we're going to take the Clarins Super Restorative Eye Cream out of the package. Thank you, Clarins. This is a beautiful product. So we're going to do 2 things. We are going to use the finger of my hand. So this is going to model the area of my eye because if I pinch here, it really actually hurts. So you don't want anybody pinching under your eye, 10 to 15 basically times thinner. So we're going to put the eye cream on. You're just going to do a tiny little pump. As you can see here, I'm just doing a tiny little bump like so onto my crease in my hand. I'm going to massage that gently, okay? And then I'm going to put a foundation over top of it. Sorry, a concealer over top of it. And then I'm going to do the opposite thing on the other hand without a concealer. So, we have the Super Restorative Eye Cream on. We're using Bobbi Brown's corrector, which I absolutely love, which I talked about in my other videos. We're going to open it up. We're going to use the heat from our fingertips to emulsify, and then we're going to actually put it right here on where I actually put the eye cream. So this is to stimulate the eye area. So we're going to pat gently, like so. I'm going to use a little more of the concealer so you can actually see that I'm actually putting concealer actually onto my fingertips and around here. So I've actually put the concealer on over top of the Super Restorative Eye Cream from Clarins. So you can actually see it there. Now we're going to actually use the other hand and we're going to put the concealer on in the same way. Sorry for moving up and down. So, using the other hand, same idea. We're going to put it right here in the crease, which simulates the eye area. I'm going to let that set for a second. So, another great trick. Oh my God, I'm getting all my words confused today and I'm still learning how to edit videos, so bear with me. Another trick to save you money, and I'm going to show you here, it's a little magic trick that I've learned in cosmetics a long time ago on my mirror, and it's great at saving money. So a lot of people use a beauty blender or they'll use a sponge, those triangular wedges as well, instead of using a foundation brush, such as the Tarte foundation brush, okay? Thank you, Tarte, as well, for the foundation brush. So, we're using the mirror. What we're going to use is I'm going to be using a Dior foundation. We are going to be putting it onto a sponge. So I'm going to squirt the Dior foundation onto a sponge, just like I was going to apply my makeup onto my face. The mirror acts actually as my face, okay? This is the foundation on the sponge. This is my face. I'm going to swipe the foundation onto my face. you're paying good product, and what are you getting? Hardly any product actually onto your face. So you're spending $50, $60, $70, upwards to $100 and some dollars on foundation, and it's all going into your sponge. Now, doing the same thing with the mirror, the magic mirror, we are going to take the Dior foundation, we are going to put it onto the Tarte brush, on their foundation brush, and we are going to use the magic mirror again, and we are going to apply it. This is your face, and this is your product actually going onto your face. Can you see the difference? Actually, my lighting is too, can you see the difference? There we go. My lighting was a little too high for that. So we have one with the sponge, one with the foundation brush. To me, the foundation brush, you may be paying, $30, $40. You can get them cheaper at Shoppers Drug Mart or Ulta Beauty in the United States. This, for me, is key. Tips and tricks from Eccentrics. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with a new beauty editor to edit all my videos so I'm not talking like a fool, and having much more exciting news and updates for women of all ages, whether it's Tarte Cosmetics, Too Faced Cosmetics, Christian Dior, all your favorite brands like Marc Jacobs, etc. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you click the button and the bell for subscribe, and I'll be talking to you soon. Thanks so much from Eccentrics Beauty. Have a great day.